Hi guys! Welcome sa ASIC9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on radicals. Sa video na to at sa mga susunod na videos ay pag-aaralan natin paano mag-add at mag-subtract ng radicals. For our first example, what is 2 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2? Pag nag-add kayo ng radicals, para din kayong nag-add ng algebraic expressions, no? Ina-add nyo yung like terms. For example, nag-add tayo ng 2a plus 3a. So this is equal to, ina-add natin yung numbers and then minumultiply natin sa variable. So this is equal to 5a. Ganun din dito, no? Pareho silang square root of 2, so pwede natin i-add yung 2 plus 3 and then times square root of 2, which is equal to 5 square root of 2. For example 2, what is square root of 7 minus 3 square root of 7? Again, parehong square root of 7, so pwede nating lagyan ng 1 minus 3. Remember, pag square root of 7, meron niyang 1 dito. So this is 1 minus 3 times square root of 7, which is equal to negative 2 times square root of 7. Now for the third example, we have 5 square root of 11 plus 8 square root of 11 minus 3 square root of 11. So this is equal to, pare-pareho na square root of 11, so pwede natin na lang tignan yung mga numbers sa harap, no? We have 5, we have plus 8, and we have minus 3. So that's 5 plus 8 minus 3 times square root of 11, which is equal to 13 minus 3 is 10 times square root of 11. For example 4, we have 7 cube root of 4 plus 8 cube root of 4. So again, pareho namang cube root of 4 yan. So pwede nating i-add yung 7 tsaka 8 times cube root of 4. So this is equal to 15 cube root of 4. Okay, for number 5, we have 4 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 5. Kung napapansin nyo, magkakaiba yung radicands, no? Ito, parehong 3, samantalang ito ay parehong 5. So, syempre, ang pwede lang natin i-combine ay yung like terms. So, we have 4 plus 3 times square root of 3. No? Ito naman ay 2 minus 3 times square root of 5. So this is equal to 7 square root of 3 plus negative 1 square root of 5. And pwede pa natin i-simplify yung plus negative 1. Pwede natin siyang gawing 7 square root of 3 minus square root of 5. So kung napapansin nyo, yung 1, minsan hindi na siya nilalagay, no? For example, ito minus 1 square root of 5. Pwede na natin gawing square root of 5. Of course, pwede nyo naman ilagay yan kung gusto nyo, no? So, hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon ay magsusolve kayo na numbers na yung involved, no? May mga pagkakataon na algebraic expressions din. For example, we have 7 square root of x minus 2 square root of x plus 3 square root of x. So, ganun din, no? Pare-parehong square root of x. So, pwede nating hiwala yung mga numbers. We have 7 minus 2 plus 3 times square root of x, which is equal to 7 minus 2 is 5 plus 3 is 8. That's square root of x. So, the answer is 8 square root of x. Alright, that's it. Sana ay may natutunan kayo sa ating tutorial. Medyo mahaba-haba itong addition and subtraction of radicals, no? Kasi maraming cases dito. So, abangan nyo yung karugtong nito, no? At para maabangan nyo, dapat mag-subscribe kayo sa channel natin. So, hanapin nyo yung subscribe button and then i-click nyo yung notification bell para every time na may bago tayong upload ay meron kayong notification na marireceive. That's it. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.